Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2025 Ford F-150 XLT Lightning. Coming in this nice space white metallic coloring, this vehicle is powered by a dual E-motor with standard battery range, has all-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we do get a tow hitch, rear park sensing, backup camera. You do get a nice bed camera as well with a tailgate step, the nice Lightning logo, an extended gripped running board, side view camera with blind spot detection. We do get a nice place to plug in your vehicle as well, which is pretty handy. And move to the front here, we do get that nice signature LED light bar that goes across the front of the vehicle, recovery hooks, license plate bracket, and a nice front view camera. This vehicle does come equipped with a mega powered frunk, which you can use to open it on the key fob, button up there, or button by the driver's side, which provides you with quite a bit of cargo space. Even gives you an example of what you can put in here. You do have a light that you can turn on or off, your Pro Power onboard, hooks and doodads to hold your gear down, and you do get storage underneath as well, with a little drain plug that you can put like ice, cold drinks in, so you can have a tailgate party, or your front party. And to close, all you have to do is hit this button right here, and it will close automatically. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice gray cloth interior, plenty of door space, floor mat with a carpeted interior. Got cup holders, rear vents, outlets, and 120 volt outlet. Plus you can lift up the seats for a split folding rear bench seat, which is pretty handy for storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat, with this being the only manual part as well, with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front. Frunk, lights, parking brake, and pedal adjusters all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 92 kilometers. We do get this leather up steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking here, we have a gear select that is collapsible. Storage and cup holders. We got more storage here with some outlets. You got your center console that is lockable as well, where you do get outlets and tons of more space. You do get some coin slots here. Pro Trailer Assist with heated front seats and dual climate, 12 volt and 120. Above storage and below storage right here as well. Phone not included. We have hazards and traction, and clicking into here you have a 360 view of your vehicle, which you can go through different camera angles. Gonna click into the bed one, which is pretty nice. You can keep an eye on all your goods. And clicking into your audio, you do have AM, FM, Bluetooth, and SiriusXM. You got your phone controls, navigation, fave apps such as messaging, email, Pro Power onboard, all that jazz. Apps in general, or any apps you've downloaded, will be right here with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Settings, and your features of the vehicle. I'm going to click into our drive mode real quick, where we have normal, sport, tow and haul, off-road, slippery, and one pedal drive. We have our Pro Trailer onboard here as well, our Pro Power onboard, trip energy, zone lighting, and all that fun stuff. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is WG17457, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.